Is cremation a replacement for a funeral? When choosing cremation, consumers have many options for a funeral service. Often, we find that people have a preconception that they can have fewer choices for a ceremony when selecting cremation for themselves or a loved one. In actuality, cremation is only part of the funeral experience. It can increase your options when planning a funeral. Cremation gives survivors flexibility to keep the cremated remains at home, scatter them in a meaningful place, or bury them in a cemetery. The ceremony can be personalized and reflect the life being honored. Aspects of a traditional funeral do not have to be discarded when cremation is chosen. Service options are not limited and can include a visitation prior to the service with or without the body present, a service with the body present, a memorial without the body present, an open or closed casket, special music, or a ceremony at the funeral chapel or other location. Commonly, after services, cremated remains are placed in an urn and committed to an indoor or outdoor mausoleum or columbarium, or interred in a family burial plot. Cremation also gives families the option to scatter the remains. This can be in a designated cemetery garden or a place that was special to the person. Today, cremated remains can even become a part of an ocean reef or made into dye.